Hello everyone, this is Hosam Osama. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Elementor Pro for free. I'm not talking about nulled plugin, but I'm talking about how to open Elementor Pro features in a legal way and available updates. Please continue to the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is my test website. Let's take a look for installed and activated plugins. From plugins, all plugins here. My installed plugins are Elementor, the free version, and WooCommerce. Okay, let's go to pages and edit my page called Elementor Pro here and click on edit with Elementor to be sure that Elementor Pro is logged. After my page loaded, let's take a look for Elementor Pro widgets. As you can see, all Pro widgets are logged. Okay, now how to unlock Elementor Pro for free. First, I'm going to install a plugin. From admin menu, I'm going to plugins, add new plugin. Then I will click on upload plugin and choose my plugin. The plugin called Pro Elements. Let's install it. I am going to leave the plugin download link below the video. Okay, I will activate it by clicking here. And that's it. Let's refresh our page to be sure that Elementor Pro widgets are unlocked. Okay, close this, and these are the Pro elements. Let's try to drag and drop them one by one here. Okay, it's worked. Let's try to drag and drop form. Okay, it's worked. Well, this is a legal way to unlock Elementor Pro widgets, and the plugin we installed called Pro Elements can be updated. Let's try from here and refresh this page. Let's try to go to updates here. After page load, we can see here a new version of Pro Elements. I will back to all plugins from here and scroll down to our plugin and update it. It's updating now and it's done. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.